I know this is probably the wrong way to do a lot of these things, but I'm on a time crisis right now, guys, so forgive me. Alright guys, I am completely drenched. I'm freaking tired, super soaked. Took a little bit over an hour to get it done. It was really bad. It was super dirty. It looked like it was in a barn for like a month. The dirt was caked on there, so it was tough. Not an easy job. I should have started this like a week ago, or at least this week, but the show is today in a couple of hours. The lineup's at 1. It's currently like 9 o'clock. So just gonna apply some coating on the plastic trims, clean up the wheels, just a little details here and there, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys, and I'll catch you all in a bit. Sheesh. Okay, guys, we got a long line just to check in. Obviously, we already pre-registered for this event, but supposedly last time there was like about 500 pre-registers already. Should be around 700 cars here in attendance today for the show, like competing. I know there's gonna be trophies, I believe 50 trophies. I had all week to prepare for this. I procrastinated like always. I ended up washing the car at 7 in the morning. You already saw that. I'm honestly super tired. I'm exhausted, guys. Had to drop off the baby at my in-laws and stuff, and I was running around. My wife's at work. She's gonna catch up to me later on. But I got the guys behind me. We already pre-registered. Hopefully once we check in, there's already a spot for us. We can get a good spot. We got a tent, we got the drinks, we got munchies. Shout out to Havoc, got me a drink right here. I was super thirsty. So hopefully it should be a pretty good show, man. Music, food, cars, trucks, motorcycles, lowriders, lifted trucks, lowrider trucks, everything, guys. Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes, exotics. This should be an insane show. This is probably gonna be the biggest show we've ever had, or we will ever have, unless it keeps getting bigger every time here in South Texas. But scorching heat right now, guys. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I got my goodies with me. I got shades, sunblock, I got a hat, we got my lawn chair. So we're prepared. The guys have the tents, all that stuff, so we should be good to go. Just finished wiping down the car, guys. Just found some parking spots here. Looks really good, man. For detailing it today, I think I give it a 9 out of 10. There's obviously a lot of stuff that needs to be touched up, but just went ahead and added VRP to all the plastics, cleaned up the engine bay, VRP on all this here. Looks pretty good, looks pretty clean. I just power washed it today, so it doesn't look that bad, but the car looks really good. Added tire shine, VRP to the rest of the plastics all around. Got some VRP on the bottom, so back to black. Gonna go ahead and add some quick detailer right now, but we have Darth 50 right here. We got Mike, you got Havoc, you got George and his bagged and boosted 50. We got Hector. We're supposed to be waiting for a few more guys to show up, but everything's looking pretty good, guys. The turnout is amazing, and the show doesn't start till about another hour, so people are still coming in. And the cars, guys, that have been like arriving, I'm not lying, just stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, I think it's that time. Say what's up, Barney. We're gonna go walk around. The song was killer, man. It was blazing hot, but got some clouds, so I'm gonna take advantage and show you guys around. Over 500 cars. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get everything here, guys. I don't want to bore you guys either, but we're gonna go ahead and just check it out. Say, this guy's really fast, man. Crazy setup. Carbon fiber all day. More carbon fiber all day. That's a badass car, dude. You can't go wrong with Godzilla. Nice. Wide body Camaro. The Fast and the Furious crew. Dang. What? That's badass. Shh, it's clean. What do you mean? I want one of everything, güey.
Get this one. Este es un pinche. Mira, tiene brush guard y todo. Mira, vienen los camaradas. Kaila. They're coming through. That's my new club right there. Yeah, what?
So man, RGB Customs. Check them out, guys, on Instagram. Good work, man. Money team showed up. Look at that. Hey, watch where you're going, bro. Hey, watch where you're going, bro. Huh? Woo!
And it starts at 1 year.
Yeah. Dude, I told this guy in the beginning of the week, like, hey man, Friday, que le haga ese carro. And he's like, Simón. Y nunca me mandó nada todo el viernes, güey. And I was like, I guess he got busy.
Yeah.
And I was like, pues ni pedo, ya que.
Dude, the whole back is forged, bro.
Yeah.
Camaro's nice. I like it. It's clean. Damn, dude, dually.
Right, Albert?
What?
Cuando me metiste the wing, que el vato pasó en un Camaro SS.
Oh.
Who was talking about the LED?
Nasty.
Who needed the LED stuff for the lights?
I don't know. He was asking if they were George. Somebody. I know. Which one? This one or this one? Oh shoot. Forged carbon, anyone? Damn. You'll never miss a gear, huh? Dang. Luis approved?
Yes, sir.
Laguna Seca and the Shelby. Damn. Clean, bro. Hey, Yoda. Check it out, guys. Full bolt-on Boss 302. Guy's gonna put E85 this coming up week. Carbon fiber, everything. Laguna Seca. Crazy, crazy. Vortex. We got Yoda for an extra 20 horsepower. Dang. We got Jake from State Farm, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Got the imports. Jeez, man. Crazy. Oh, all right. I need to get a close up on this one. Damn. Wow. Fitment check. He's got her down. Look at that. Clean, man. Clean, super clean.
Ella quiere más, yo le doy más. Muñequita linda, ven pa' acá. Si tú no vienes, yo voy pa' allá. Ella quiere que la haga sudar. Ella quiere voy a darle pa' que sienta el y de nuevo se hace la loca y por dentro está que se muere. Ella quiere acción, compasión, lo que quiere. Dime mamacita si disfruta, porque de cualquier manera que a mí me gusta y me mordisco hueso pa'l pan. Eso es lo que tú ves, no se paga sin maldad. A sudar tú mismo que empezado. Dile lo que quieres, nos vamos pa' otro lado.
Alright, like this wrap. Got a satin red. Real good, man. Real good. Anybody want to take on this guy? Dang. Bro, that color is insane. Caught in 4K. That's gonna be the thumbnail, bro. Guys, I'm trying to get full coverage of the show. There's just way too many cars, and I really don't want to bore you guys with like 500 cars, man. Just trying to get what I can, just pretty much highlights of some of the best cars are here. But let me know, guys, if you guys are interested in actually seeing like the full show. If it doesn't bore you guys, let me know. I'll go ahead and I have no problem getting that content for you guys, but I don't want to bore you guys either. Dude, these low-key like remind me of like, what's that game, Twisted Metal, back in like PlayStation 1 or something like that. I don't know if you guys remember those games, but like they're like little like miniature trucks, like RC little cars, stuff like that, and they have like guns and stuff. I don't know why these little trucks remind me like of that game. Pretty cool though, man. Got my boy in here. Looking clean, looking clean. Wide body Stang. We've seen them before. Alright, this Cadillac deserves a close-up. These wheels are insane too. Never seen a color, or I never seen a car with this with his color wheels, man. Since it's black, you can play around with it and it'll look good. Nice. Okay, that's badass. This is badass. You can't tell me this isn't badass, dude. This is the smartest thing I've ever seen anybody do with this generation of Camaro. Love it. We got the whole RGB Customs crew looking clean as always. Now we're in a truck country. Bro, what I want to know is, how do you even get up there? Crazy, 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 man. Oh, Dragon Ball Z. I mess with it. Alright guys, I think George has a chance of winning. They're judging George's car. They don't give a damn about mine, but told you, any other show you would beat me, bro. I told you, the other one was a freaking bluff show, eh? They didn't even bother looking at mine at this one, dude. Look at mine. Told you, dude. Any other show, you were gonna win. I told you. I told you, dude. No one, they didn't even bother even looking at it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap for today. It's been a super long day. We've been here since 1. It's currently 7:30. Just done with it, man. I mean, I look kind of sunburned. It was heat. The heat was terrible. Turnout was good. I don't know how many cars. Again, they said it was 500 up to 700. It was a bunch of cars. I tried filming everything, guys. I would skip a lot of cars because I didn't want to make it too long and too boring for y'all. Just some highlights here and there. But man, guys, I'm drained. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment something down below, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.